to the all-new 2021 Prowler 315BH. Before we go inside the coach and show you this floor plan, I want to point out some unique features. Number one, this is a 20-foot awning. When you're looking at other brands, remember, this is standard at 20 foot. You're gonna have an outdoor kitchen with a fridge as well as a griddle to give you a wonderful experience camping with you and all of your guests. The Prowler team has listened to so many customers. This is a double bath and they each have their own individual black tank flush. I promise you, that is not common. There's a lot of storage here. They added a nice rack, so if you wanna use these coat hooks for a jacket, maybe some dress shirts, you have ample storage here that you won't typically find in a coach like this. Across from the double over double bunks is this multi-purpose area. You've got enough room to either put a laptop, charge your cell phones, and have ample storage. You've got a window that opens. There's windows over the bunk on both levels, which means you're not gonna have to tax your AC unit. You're gonna get cross breeze. This top is rated to 300 pounds. You do have the option to have the single bed, and rather than having this top bunk, you would have nice mounted cabinetry for, again, additional storage. There's no carpet in this coach. On this slide, you're gonna find a marine grade woven fabric. This mitigates against water, odor, and stains. Very, very durable and easy to take care of. On this sofa, if you fold down the center, you've got 2 cup holders integrated. If you need storage, you simply just lift this up. If you need to accommodate for sleeping, it's that easy. You have a humongous pantry immediately as soon as you walk in. You have storage surrounding where your TV is gonna go. What happens if your campers wanna bring a PlayStation? You simply put it on this shelf, you're gonna take the HDMI cord here, put it on the pass-through, and voila, the TV never has to come off. Well, what if you're outside and you want to use Spotify? Either utilizing Bluetooth or simply USB, you plug in, and again, because it's pass-through, what you plug in here is going to play for all of your guests to enjoy, as long as you're not partying after 10 p.m. Prowler increased the amount of storage that you have. So all these cabinets are larger than in years past. They have a nice glass insert. You've got a pressed countertop with a nice beveled edge, no sharp corners. You've got a double bowl sink here, all stainless steel, a much larger window than you've ever seen. This depth is much bigger. Some coaches you get into, the cabinet starts right here. So they've given you a lot of room. This is an all new 10.7 cubic foot reefer. If you are going to dry dock and you want the LP version, it will fit in this same cavity. You're also, of course, gonna get a microwave, a 3-burner stove with a glass top, and just a really nice open layout to have a conversation with all of your guests. The table height seems to be a little bit taller than it was in years past. A great surface. There's no seams here. And again, as I said on the countertop, a nice beveled soft edge. Nothing sharp, no corners. This will, of course, collapse down for a sleeping arrangement for your guests. They've integrated USB real close by right there against the wall in this massive window. What I'm talking about here is unique to Prowler. This is called the H-Blast AC system. In this floor plan, you have 2 ACs, one over the double bunk, and then you've got one right here. You've got 2 ducts running in parallel, which is gonna cool this unit 50% more than other standard designs or an S-type. 10 extra inches in this front room. So what you finally have with Prowler is a true 60 by 80 queen size bed. Around that, you've got additional storage, and more travelers are utilizing CPAP machines. So it's nice to see that the Prowler team has created these pass-through windows to allow all of your tubing, all of your wiring that's necessary for you to have everything that you need to sleep comfortably. It's going to be wired for TV. You've got power over there above the window. You've got dual windows on each side of this bed. Also, very nice large closet with plenty of shelves and drawers to stock everything that you guys need. So if you are looking to host more than 7 people comfortably, then the Prowler 315BH is going to be the coach for you and your family.